Hello everyone. So while drinking my coffee, let's have a storytelling. So I worked in Moscow for 15 years, and then during my stay in Moscow, I always came here to Dubai. I started 2015 coming here to Dubai for a visit, and then in 2019, the last time I came here I was locked down, cannot go back to Moscow, so I stayed here without no job, no money, and no visa. And it was very hard life for me here in Dubai before. I even tried joining the cleaning company, which I received only 10 dirhams per day for the salary, just to have money to buy food. And I borrowed too much money for my visa. And then I tried to find work through Facebook. Then I found this Ukraine lady who is living in Raven Ranches, and I stayed with him about 6 months or 8 months. After that, I quit because her attitude is I cannot stand. She's shouting at me, and then I tried again working from an immigrant family. But it's only for 2 months because they are not giving salary, so I have to stop again. Then I go again for a cleaning company, which is the salary is 1,700 only.